right now, a receiving of our limitless potential. Noticing how the emerging quality in the shared space is affecting your cells, your tissues, your sense of fluids moving, your sense of connection to the earth and the higher realm, the sense of infinite support and holding coming through, receiving that power of that access to buoy us in space, literally do the work of sitting in your chair in this moment or in your office later in the day or as you walk down the street. In this moment, registering in your tissues what it feels like to receive a powerfully intact midline circuit. For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com and be sure to follow us on social media.